Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Vechain update for Monday, 7th February. And join me into the Discord if you don't want to miss this YouTube updates as well. Now, here we are, and I want to actually say that potentially it's now time to start to wake the giant, okay? We've broken out of a downtrend, you've broken out of this downtrend, and now potentially it's time to put that fifth leg towards the upside. This can be your bottom, and there's a cheat sheet that I want to talk about, and that's the morning star candlestick. Do you see this? This is almost nearly a morning star that has been formed for Vechain as well. And if you actually look at the morning star here, this is what you're looking for, and it's potentially gonna raise the giant. Okay, so what it does is you make a morning star after a downtrend. Okay, so you've completed the downtrend. You were in a downtrend, so yeah, you were in a downtrend, right? That's the first condition. You go to the downtrend, make a morning star, put the reversal, make a morning star right there. Now potentially you put in the reversal to go to the upside. So for me, Vechain is now looking good for an entry. So if you guys really need an entry for Vechain, wow, amazing. You could be rising Vechain all the way to the upside right now. It has already broken out of this trend line, and now it's looking to actually continue its rise. This bearish rectangle that you saw is now abandoned and invalidated. You don't need it anymore. That's the end of it, okay? Now you are looking absolutely at you're still at the bottom. You still have time to enter, in my opinion. And this is a very, very, very good entry point for Vechain. And that's it for today's update. A very small, short, quick update just for you. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.